Gmail URL link preview creates a visual preview of your link in your email. After you paste a link into your email, click it to bring up the menu. Here you can click Add Preview, which will create a short preview of your link in your email. Or you can click Add Content to post the entire content of your link into your email. Share documents or listings before they're published online. Send link previews for unpublished blog drafts. Support notes. YouTube videos. Amazon products. Tweets. Google searches, and more. cloudHQ, helping your productivity one click at a time.